Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand how we can use HTML iframes to include a YouTube video. HTML iframe element iframe can be used to embed a YouTube video into a HTML document. So it can be achieved by simply pointing the source URL to YouTube video embed URL as shown here. So this is the sample iframe element where we have provided value for the source attribute, and the value will be the embed URL of our YouTube video. And we always have to make sure that we include the title so that it will be used by the screen readers in case it's needed. We also have to define width and height values in the iframe attributes as shown here, or you can even apply these values using CSS so that iframe will be displayed properly on a HTML document. So how do we get YouTube video ID? So it can be grabbed either from the watch URL. So when we watch a video on YouTube, we can get the video ID from the URL. And in the similar way, we also have an option to share the video. So where when we click the share link, we'll also get a URL in which the video ID will be included. And this is an example HTML content which can be viewed on a browser to see how this iframe will be displayed. So now let's go to YouTube and see how we can grab video ID from the YouTube. So I just opened this one of our video, and once we open this video and if we can inspect our URL, this is the video ID which can be grabbed from here and include within our iframe embed URL. And we can even get it from share link. So once we click this share, so we can grab this video ID from here as well. And with this being discussed, let's quickly open this HTML content in a web browser and see how this content will be displayed. This is the source code that we have on our article. So where we have this embed URL, title, and width and height properties. When we open this HTML document in a browser, so this is how the content will look like, where we have embedded YouTube video into our HTML document. So once we embed a YouTube video, we can play it on the HTML document itself, and then we can even pause, we can mute. So all the other options, I mean whatever the options that we see on a YouTube video will be displayed on the embedded video. So finally, it's quite easy to embed a YouTube video into our HTML documents. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.